Hello everybody! Today, we want to share some tips on read-only mode in Flexmonster Pivot. You can limit user actions on different levels. Let's have a look at several options. Firstly, each row and column has a header with its number. Sometimes it can be distractive, but you can hide it. To do it, add to the grid option, show headers, and give it a false value. Now the grid is more clean. Each field on the grid is draggable, so you can quickly change the configuration of the slice. To turn this feature off, add the dragging grid option with a false value. Now, the fields will stay still. However, when you click on them, they will show the filtering control. A disabled Show Filter option will remove the filtering icon and turn off filtering. In the same way, you can disable sorting using the sorting option. If the slice needs to be changed, a user can use the field list. It can be reached via the configuration button that can be simply hidden via the code if you want to narrow the user's actions. Another grid feature is Drill Through. It can give you a more detailed view of data in specific cells. As a developer, you are able to block this feature by defining a drill through option as a false value. The only interactive part of the grid left is the toolbar. It can also be hidden by defining it false when defining the component. If you want to limit users' actions within the report completely, you can create a full read-only mode via a single line of code. Now, you have a stable pivot table visualization with which the user cannot interact. That's all for today. Hope this video will help you to build the required level of pivot table interactivity. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.